What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. Monday, May 6th, 2024. We got a very, very busy schedule. Daniel's got 4 jobs. Mike's got 2 jobs. I've got 4 jobs. Plus, that's not even accounting for the phones that are going to be ringing off the hook today. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going on the service call today. Look at this right here. How does anyone manage to kink a refrigeration line like this? I don't know, but let's go fix it. Hi, how are you? Yep. Okay, let's see what you got. Nice.
Wow, this is all she spa. This is what she wanted. The
she spa.
Yeah, that's what she got.
Called the she
spa.
spa.
I don't know if you're married, but
yeah, man.
I got to do whatever to keep wife happy.
Where did you find this stand at?
Yeah. It
came with it?
Well, it was like separate. It was either this one.
That's a pretty cool stand.
It was like 2 different heads. So we was like ordering some like the stand that like what it was on that link that I sent.
Yeah.
Was giving suggestions of what to order.
Yep.
So the wife says, all right, well, when you get the stand. So the situation is we had a nice gentleman that helped me out for the install this for her. He was like an electrician, and he was able to put the power line. I'm gonna show you the power line.
Yep. Single zone. So what happened? You have the kink, right?
Yeah,
Is it right there?
Yeah, it's here.
How long is this line? Where's the how far is the unit?
It's literally right on the other side of this wall.
Okay.
And that's the problem. Is like they didn't have a short one; they only have a long one. So you had to make it work. But the problem is he's so busy, it caused issues, and I can't get him to come back and fix the issue.
Okay.
So
how did it get kinked?
I think.
How old is it?
Like we installed it last year. It was like
has it worked?
Last year. Yeah, it was working beautifully
until
after a week, and then it started giving a code, and I had to call the company. It was saying that there's a leak somewhere.
Okay.
And they said check
the stuff, and that's when you noticed that.
And then I noticed that bent part.
Okay. And you bought new hoses?
No.
Well,
no. Like this was a new hose, but I didn't buy another.
Oh, you didn't buy it yet?
No.
Okay.
I just didn't know if that was the actual problem, because I noticed that this was like really bent in, because once I remember it was copper material, it was bent in like, so I had to cut a little bit the copper. Yeah. And I think.
All right, so there is that. Just stretching it. Definitely a good kink right there. Could that be the source of the leak? I don't know. I don't know. It looks intact still, but All right, so we got this Blue Ridge. 18,000 BTUs? Maybe. 18,000 BTU outdoor unit. I cut myself messing with the indoor unit. We got no pressure in here. And I really wonder wonder if it's that. I wonder. I really wonder. Let's get some nitrogen. All right. Let's open up the valve. Oh yeah. Actually. Psych. I got news for you. I don't think it's there. All right, I got 170 PSI of pressure in there. She's dropping. I don't think it's that though. Let me go investigate. All right, to check for leaks, I got the Big Blue by Refrigeration Technologies. Got those sprayed down right there, nothing visible. Even on my kink, nothing is visible. Let's go see what's going on inside. And by the way, we are dropping. So let's go see what it's like going on inside. I know, trust me, I know. Don't even get me started. But there is our leak. See it? I'll do it again for you. See? Right there. There's the leak. All right. What I'm gonna do is he did not buy new line sets, so I am gonna cut out the kink. All right, so I gave the homeowner a couple options. Option number one is removing the kink, reusing the line, reflaring this end, reflaring the end inside, vacuuming down, charging with 3 pounds refrigerant, and it's time consuming. You know, these things quickly add up, and when you spent $800 for the indoor, outdoor unit and the copper, it sucks, you know, because the repair is more than that. So we're gonna go with something with a little unorthodox here. I'm gonna try to unkink the kink. We're gonna reflare that piece inside, and we're gonna charge it back up with a little nitrogen purge. And I hate to do it, but let me hustle. All right, screw that. I'm not fucking around. I'm gonna try to bang this out quickly for this guy. Undid the flare connections here. There's no saving of that. And there's also another kink right there. So quickly, I'm just gonna pull this inside. I'm gonna reflare this, cut this here, reflare, reconnect to my indoor unit. And you know, I forget about minimum line set here. I'm not familiar with Blue Ridge, but it is what it is. Something's better than nothing. All right, I disconnected the 2 refrigeration lines, and we're gonna see something quite interesting in here. Huh. What the hell? What is going on in there? Jeez, both lines are kinked. Look at this. What the fuck? All right, I got the 1/4 inch done, working on the 1/2 inch using the NAVAC, NAVIC automatic flaring tool, one-handed operation. Getting it done. Love it. Look at that, perfect flare every single time. I'm not using any nylog, just going straight flare to joint. Yep. You know what I forgot? Dumbass. Well, let's do that again. And for all of you haters out there, there's the vacuum pump. There's my Testo 557. Yes, I know the micron gauge shouldn't be there, but I'm on a time crunch right now. I'm trying to keep this repair under an hour with the vacuum. And by the way, for all of you who are paying attention, I am going to make it very interesting for the comments section on the Mikey Pipes Pipe Doctor channel. I am going to unrestrict the 30 or so people who are blocked from publicly commenting on the Mikey Pipes Pipe Duct YouTube channel. We're going to make it interesting. We're going to unleash the trolls. Have at it, trolls. Remember, I don't sleep in my parents' basement, and I don't wear my sister's panties. All right, unit is up and running. We're discharging around 50 degrees on the indoor evaporator. The things we do, the things we do. But the refrigeration lines are intact. There's no kinks. I pressurize, I vacuum down. Did I cheat a little bit and did I not hold it at 500 microns? Come on, I'm here for an hour and 15 minutes total from ringing the doorbell to right now. What do you think, guys? But I went through the motions. I got it down as low as I can go without breaking the bank. We're good.